Hey guys, so as you all know that the whole world is going through this epidemic situation of corona, many people have died because of this disease and people are also getting panic about their health and they are taking extra precautions. But the important fact is that those people who got infected by corona and survived through this disease, they had a very powerful immune system to fight against corona. So it's really very important you to have a very good immune system, not only fight against corona but to keep you safe from other kind of diseases. So in today's video, I am going to be show you some yoga asanas that will help you to build your body strength and also boost your immunity power. So go ahead and get started.
So the first pose is Tadasana or mountain pose. Stand straight and keep your legs apart like this. Stay for 10 to 20 seconds or at least take 5 breaths in this pose. Make sure your stomach is empty before you do this asana. Benefits of this pose: it helps to restore the balance, regulates your digestive system, steadize your breathing process, and help in relieving tension and keep you refreshed all the time. The next pose is Vrikshasana or tree pose. Just try to balance yourself on your one leg by placing other leg on it like this. Take at least 5 to 8 deep breaths in this pose or hold this pose for at least 30 seconds on each leg. Benefits of this pose: it helps to strengthen your spine, improves your mental capabilities and keeps you stable. It energizes your body and help in getting self-confidence and also relaxes your nervous system. The next pose is Padangusthasana or big toe pose. Just bend yourself forward and try to touch your toes with your hands like this. Do this pose for at least 30 seconds early in the morning. It helps to stretch your legs, your spine, and your neck muscles. Benefits of this pose: it calms your brain, it helps in relieving stress and anxiety, it stimulates your digestive system and improves your digestion, it provides blood flow to the organs, relaxes your nervous system, and also help you to sleep peacefully. The next pose is Trikonasana or triangle pose. Keep your legs apart from each other and place your one hand to the ground close to your foot and your other hand should be in air like this. Benefits of this pose: it improves blood circulation in the body, reduces your blood pressure, help in burning fat, it strengthens your legs, knees and ankles, it also good for backache and provide you stamina, balance and lot of energy. The next pose is Utkatsana or chair pose. Just bend your knees, your chest should be lifted, and your thighs should be parallel to the ground like this. Hold this pose for 30 to 60 seconds, or at least take 5 to 10 deep breaths in this pose. Benefits of chair pose: it strengthens your thighs, hips, chest, and your spine, provide good massage to the abdominal organs, stimulate the diaphragm and your heart, helpful in relieving joint and back pain, and also help you to lose weight. The next pose is Cobra pose. Just place your palms on the mat and lie flat on your stomach with pointed toes and try to bend your back like this. Take at least 5 to 10 deep breaths or hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. Benefits of Cobra pose: it helps you to flat your tummy, makes your spine stronger and more flexible, opens up your heart and lungs, stretches your chest, lungs, shoulders and your abdomen, stimulate your abdominal organs and help you to relieve in constipation and also helpful in stress and fatigue. The next pose is camel pose. Just bend your knees to the ground, push your hips forward over your knees and open your chest to the ceiling. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. Benefits of this pose: it reduces the fat on your thighs, opens up your chest and improves your respiration system, helpful in relieving lower back pain, also improves your digestion and elimination. It strengthens your shoulders and your back and also improve your body posture. The next pose is bridge pose or Setu Bandh Sarvangasana. Just lie supine on the mat, bend your knees and try to lift up your lower body and your abdomen like this and try to reach your fingers to your heels. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds or take at least 5 deep breaths in this pose. Benefits of bridge pose: It improves the flow of white blood cells by pressuring on digestive system. It strengthens your abdominal muscles, stimulate your thymus gland and circulatory system, which increase the ability to fight infections. It also improves your digestion and help you to lose weight. The next pose is Matsyasana or fish pose. Just try to come up to your elbows with your forearms flat on the mat, and your upper arm should be parallel to the floor like this. And lift up your chest to create an arc in your upper back. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds or take 5 deep breaths in this pose. Benefits of fish pose. It stretches your chest, shoulders, and your neck, strengthens your upper back muscles, improves your spine flexibility and your posture, improves breathing, and it helps you to relieve respiratory ailments, and relieves in constipation and menstrual pain, and also reduces your fatigue and anxiety. After all these poses, let's come to the child pose. It is a very relaxing pose. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds or take at least 5 to 10 deep breaths. This will reduce all of your stress tensions during these yoga poses, and it will make you feel calm.
So that's all in today's video. Practice these yoga asanas at your home and I guarantee you that you will feel better than your regular days if you practice these yoga asanas in your daily life routine. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and families.